Hi everyone! So this video has been a long time coming and I wanted to film it many times and I didn't because I didn't really know what to say exactly and I didn't really know what was going on. So I'm ready now and I would just like to say that I haven't uploaded any new videos for a while because I wasn't feeling very well. Like my mental health was not where it should be. I was not feeling great at all. I was feeling very down and not inspired at all, very discouraged to do anything, and I'm still not feeling that great at the moment. And yeah, I mean, I planned lots of new tutorials for you guys. I even ordered some new components and like new stuff for jewelry making. I was really excited to try those like stamps that I received from BB Craft a while ago. Anyways, and then I started feeling really down and I obviously still had to look after my family, my kids, and I didn't really want to do anything related to jewelry making, if I'm being completely honest. Maybe if I had loads and loads of time on my hands, maybe I would have done, but that's not what was happening. Yeah, so I'm really concentrating on getting better at the moment, and I already made some positive changes in my life, which I'm very pleased about, and I'm hopeful that those changes will help me to kind of feel better and hopefully get back on track. And yeah, there are more things I would like to concentrate on at the moment, and I would like to read more books on mental health and just take a break, really. Just take it easy, because I don't work very well when I'm under loads of pressure, and I need to rest because I can get anxious easily and it's not nice. It's not a nice feeling to feel anxiety. So yeah, I guess this video is gonna be quite raw. Not like my other videos, but honestly, like, and I'm even like kneeling on the top of the stairs because I've got natural light here from the window, and like my background is not the best. At least it's clean, you know. But I just wanted to be real and not pretend that everything is absolutely perfect when it's not, you know. And that's that. I always wanted to spread love and laughter and positivity, and yeah, like I can't do that when I'm not feeling well myself. So that's that. Okay, so that's the update and I'm hoping to see you soon. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll try to at least post there a little bit more often. Keep in touch if you like, if you want to. Like, I'm sure everybody's got so much on their plates at the moment. 2020 is an interesting year for everybody, and I think it got to me as well at the end, on the top of everything else that I have been dealing with. I wish you all happiness. I really want you to be as happy as you can be, to be surrounded by supportive people and people who love you, and yeah, just live the best life you can live, because life is very precious, and just do things that you love if you can, and don't do things that you don't love. Or learn to love them if you have to do them. No, I should not be acting like a guru because I'm not. Anyways, I love you all, I really do, and I hope to see you soon, and I hope to be back at jewelry making soon. So I shall go now. Take care. Bye. Mwah! Love you. Bye.